What is communication? According to McCornack, communication is a process of sharing and conveying messages or information from one person to another within and across channels, contexts, media, and cultures. There is a wide variety of contexts and situations in which communication can be manifested. It can be face-to-face interaction, a phone conversation, a group discussion, a meeting or interview, a letter correspondence, a class recitation, and many others. Let me ask you, why do you need to know the models of communication? Communication is a process where the sender sends the message to a receiver through various channels, and with the same channel or the other channels, the sender gets a feedback from receiver. Let us know first the important ingredients in the models of communications, and these are the elements of communication. Number 1. The speaker or the sender. The sender is the source of information or message. Number 2 is receiver. The receiver receives the message, or the recipient of the message, or someone who decodes the message. Can you tell me who is the sender and the receiver between us? Good job! Your answer is correct. Since I am the one who is speaking, I am the sender. And because you are my listener, you are the receiver. Can you tell me when is the time that you consider yourself as the sender? Great! From the time that you send the feedback to the speaker or the sender, you are considered as the sender. Number 3 is the message. Message or messages are the information, ideas, or thoughts conveyed by the speaker in words or in actions. Can you give me an example of a message? Nice to hear that. Four is feedback. Feedback is the reactions, responses, or information by the receiver. Encoding is the process of converting the message into words, actions, or other forms that the speaker understands. Decoding. Decoding is the process of interpreting the encoded message of the speaker by the receiver. Identify the following word if it is coding or decoding. Writing or typing. How about reading? Fantastic! Channel is the medium or the means, such as personal or non-personal, verbal or non-verbal, in which the encoded message is conveyed. Have you ever heard the word channel of information? Can you give an example of a channel? Amazing! Number 8 is context. Context is the environment where communication takes place. Lastly is the barrier. The barrier are the factors or is the factor that affect the flow of communication.